Bullish ramp cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 29 cents and 56 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept ramp could reach 23 cents by 2025. Bearish ramp market cost expectation for 2023 is 5 cents. Ramp presentation. Since its send-off in 2020, Ramp has figured out how to stand out as a multi-chain loaning stage that empowers clients to boost their crypto returns. Be that as it may, Ramp's previous exhibition has been very conflicting, with a few ups and downs. In spite of that, Ramp is as yet viewed as a coin of revenue in the digital money market, with promising future outcomes. In the event that you're interested about the cost of Ramp, you're perfectly positioned. In this video, we've summed up Ramp cost expectations, from Ramp cost today to average cost, current cost, past execution, verifiable information, least cost, normal exchanging cost, and greatest cost, as well as thinking about whether Ramp coin is supposed to be a wise speculation for what's in store. For our exhaustive Ramp cost gauge, continue to peruse. What is Ramp? Ramp DeFi is a decentralized multi-faceted driving stage intended to support DeFi reception. It was established by Lo Rong and Lawrence Lim to expand capital effectiveness on stacked advanced resources. Ramp permits non-Ethereum clients to stake coins on Ethereum stages, and Ethereum clients can likewise utilize Ramp's foundation to expand their yields. Ramp engages clients to acquire yields on collateralized resources, permitting them to move coins flawlessly across numerous blockchain networks. The Ramp token is given as a component of the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token, opening extra liquidity, and serves numerous different capabilities on the protocol is utilized. This framework augments capital productivity as well as permits clients to open liquidity from marked resources and stack various yield streams immediately. Clients who are now a piece of the Ethereum blockchain can mint USD at zero expenses by keeping their ERC20 tokens into Ramp's liquidity pool. This framework permits both RUSD and EUSD holders to acquire, loan, or trade their tokens uninhibitedly and make liquidity for clients. Through symbolic consumes, Ramp holders can get esteem back on the coins they hold. Ramp's interesting selling point is the manner by which it furnishes clients with the least getting expenses and probably the most elevated store yields on guarantee resources. Ramp crucial examination. A larger part of DeFi stages are Ethereum-based, leaving out non-Ethereum clients. Ramp DeFi tends to this basic market whole. The Ramp stage is great for fighting this issue and enabling non-Ethereum clients to use the advantages of DeFi. Along these lines, Ramp harbors a novel market potential with magnificent possibilities arriving at new highs later on. Ramp permits clients to procure yields by cultivating or marking on their capital, collateralizing their capital, getting RUSD stablecoin, and afterward utilizing that coin to make different speculations all simultaneously. This effective framework permits clients to appreciate exceptional yields on venture on their resources and at the same time remove liquidity. Ramp DeFi offers a plenty of elements, including yield-cultivating potential open doors, a cross-chain liquidity span, and marking rewards. Basically, Ramp furnishes clients with a particular situation to procure tremendous benefit and open liquidity, all while tending to a serious digital currency market hole. Ramp current cost. Ramp is as of now worth 6 cents USD. Ramp has moved 4.35% as of now with an exchanging volume of $37,078. Ramp is as of now positioned 439 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $32,585,829 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Ramp to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Ramp market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Ramp Value Forecast 2023. Ramp, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Ramp cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 9 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 9 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Ramp is supposed to have a base worth of 7 cents. Ramp Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Ramp cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Ramp will before long outperform 16 cents. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Ramp's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Ramp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 13 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 14 cents. Ramp Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 23 cents and ramp might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Ramp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 21 cents and a low of 19 cents in 2025. Ramp value forecast 2026. Assuming that Ramp effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the Ramp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Ramp will be green in 2026. The Ramp is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 29 cents, with a base cost of 26 cents and a typical cost of 27 cents. Ramp value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Ramp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 34 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 33 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Ramp has a most extreme value worth of 36 cents. Ramp value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 41 cents. In the event that Ramp figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 43 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Ramp needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 39 cents. Ramp value forecast 2029. While Ramp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 46 cents and a yearly cost close above 49 cents in 2029. Ramp value expectation 2030. By 2030, Ramp will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 53 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 56 cents, averaging out at 54 cents. Ramp value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Ramp cost in 2031 is projected to be 65 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 62 cents. And interoperability is the future of blockchain and DeFi, and is a center mission that Ramp DeFi holds on. This focuses to the exceptional and maybe even progressive potential Ramp holds to turn into the sign of DeFi, giving new open doors to DeFi financial backers and advancing the smooth motion of assets. With more prominent interconnection, there will be higher worth exchange to Ramp, a dependable sign for consistent future development. All things considered, obviously Ramp DeFi is a promising task based on strong essentials, being upheld by veteran crypto financial backers